The chapter we are going to read is chapter 1, Treasure in the Field. Page 5. First of all, read your sketch on your page. This is very interesting story of a father and his two sons. The sons were lazy and their father had to look after the field. In this lesson, we will see that what did their father said to them and how they became active and rich and how they will get the treasure. I hope you will enjoy the story. Okay, now look at your first paragraph. Once there was an old man who lived with his two young sons on a farm in Vietnam. The mother of the boys had died since the old man had to tend the field. The boys took care of the house. That is, they were supposed to take care of the house, but they were lazy. In first paragraph, an old man was living with his two sons in Vietnam. They were poor, their mother was no more, and the old man was the only person who was looking after the field as well as the house. Because the sons were lazy and because of that, they were not able to do anything. Often the father returned home to find that nothing had been done. He even had to cook dinner. इनकी इसी सुस्ती की वजह से इनके वालिद को रात का खाना भी खुद पकाना पड़ता था जब वो काम से घर वापस आते थे. What have you been doing all day, Ta? He would ask his elder son. Studying, father, and thinking, Ta would reply. And what have you been doing, hi, my young son? The father would ask. Watching the house for you, hi would answer. Sometime their father asked his elder son that what were you doing in my absence? So his elder son replied that father, I was studying as well as thinking. और यही सवाल जब वो अपने छोटे बेटे से करते थे तो वो ये बहाना बनाता था कि वो आपके लिए घर को देख रहा था. A neighbor asked the old man, Are your sons helping you? Oh, they would, the father answered, but they were young and they missed their mother. Some years later, the neighbor asked, Aren't your sons helping you in the field? Oh, they would, the father replied again, but they are still young. I will let them enjoy life now. They will help me later on. When their neighbor saw that the father is working alone, so he asked the old man that why are you working alone? Are your sons not helping you? The father said that they will help me. लेकिन अभी वो बहुत छोटे हैं और अपनी माँ को बहुत याद करते हैं. मैं इन्हें ज़िंदगी का लुत्फ़ उठाने दे रहा हूँ, but they will surely help me later on. बाद में वो मेरी मदद ज़रूर करेंगे. Okay students, now underline the difficult words and focus on your spellings. Treasure, treasure. Vietnam, Vietnam. Died, died. Tend, tend. Took care, took care. Supposed, supposed. Lazy, lazy. Returned, returned. Studying, studying. Thinking, thinking. Watching, watching. Neighbor, neighbor. Answered, answered. Aunt, aunt. Replied, replied. Enjoy, enjoy. Students, you can also take help from your docket for Urdu translation. Now, it's time to write homework diary. Read paragraph with translation 5 times, page 5.